All right, so we're going to install a Hill-Rom vacuum bottle slide into a Hill-Rom power column with the vertical channel. The first thing to do is to loosen these screws, not all the way, but enough to create a gap between the plate and the vertical channel nut. Then we're going to find an opening that's on the power column, either the front or the side. All right, we'll push the screw in here just to keep that gap open. We're just going to insert it into the channel. And then with an Allen screw, we're just going to tighten it down. And then we're going to replace our vacuum canister. And we're going to reconnect it. And then do our vacuum service. And it does have a swivel, so you can move it to whatever position you like. And that's a really quick way to install any of the Hill-Rom power column channels into the channel or into the vacuum bottle slide channel.